Hello, today I'm going to show you this Wildax Solaris XL 636 centimeter long Fiat Ducato campervan with a layout that you've never seen before. And let's go inside rather than show it from the rear. So for this you're looking at 73,995, so 74,000 pounds. So it sleeps 4. You make a bed up here at the front, so that's one point. Also you've got here space for your table going there, 4 people sitting around the table, nicely spaced out, should that be what you want. And here we have this very long kitchen unit. Comes with an oven, it comes with the 3 burners there. We've got the sink over here. We've got a window so you can keep an eye on whatever is going on outside, because it's on the same side as the door is. 2 berths here. Fridge, freezer, air fryer, microwave sort of thing from Dometic, and lengthwise single beds, not suitable for children under 6 years of old without supervision. And we've got at the back this toilet, shower, and you can keep an eye on what's going outside by opening that. And we've got a very sensible place to hang things up to dry, above all towels. And it also comes with a sensible sliding door there. Wardrobe here, space below. Actually, it's managed to pack in quite a lot when I think about it, into this shape. I've never seen this before, like this type of layout in any vehicle, so I don't know if it'll catch on or not. But electric points there, good, so you can actually use them for the kitchen. And we'll leave this door here open so we can keep an eye on what's going on outside. Unusual? Certainly. Wouldn't suit me because of the lack of storage, but and there's only two of me, if you like, so I don't need such a big thing. But really very unusual. Oh, also this, okay, LPG there, okay. And let's have a look down here. That's your toilet cassette, and I suppose that's your garage, really. That's it. So, what do you think of that one? Quite unusual, isn't it? So, Wildax Solaris XL 636 centimeter campervan, cost of £74,000. Thanks very much for watching. I upload every day at 20:15 UK time, 21:15 Central European time. And also I'd like to give a quick plug for our app called Manual, MANUL. It's a troubleshooting app. You can find it in the Play Store and in the App Store, so give that a go. Might help you out. There's a free period before there's any charges for it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. All the best from me. Bye for now.